Hi, my name is Pavel, and I wanted to give you a bit of an introduction into the Certified Scrum Product Owner course. As you know, the Certified Scrum Product Owner course is part of Scrum Alliance, a series of certification and accreditation. We actually offer 3 of them. So we offer Certified Scrum Master, Certified Scrum Product Owner, and Advanced Certified Scrum Master. So Scrum Alliance is the most recognized Agile certifying body in the world, and they currently have more than 1 million members worldwide. So it's definitely the most prestigious product owner and product manager certification. So if you look at the journey for product owners, similar to journey to Scrum Master, so we've got Certified Scrum Master and we have Certified Scrum Product Owner courses, right? So we mentioned already that in the past videos that Certified Scrum Master goes through a journey of Advanced Certified Scrum Master and Certified Scrum Professional after that. And CSPO is Advanced Certified Scrum Product Owner, and then you become Certified Scrum Professional as well. So the difference between Scrum Master and Product Owner, Scrum Master looks after the process and people, and the Product Owner looks after the customer, they're building the right product, the requirements, product backlog, engaging with stakeholders, managing stakeholder expectations, and a budget. So if you find yourself in the role of product manager, business analyst, product owner, right? So then your first choice, your first preference is Certified Scrum Product Owner. So by the way, we currently offer 3 of those courses with a plan of implementing Advanced Certified Scrum Product Owner sometime late in 2020. And currently we also run a special bundle. It's quite heavily discounted, so it's 5,000 Rand off if you do both of Certified Scrum Product Owner and Certified Scrum Master together. So if you look at what we do in this course, it's a 2-day course, and you'll have to either attend it in person or you can attend it via live video conference, right? So you spend 2 days together. It's internationally recognized, so you can use the certification in order to work in different countries. So a lot of people do come to us before they immigrate because it's a little bit cheaper to do it in South Africa rather than doing it overseas. And there is currently no exam, and historically there was no exam for product owners. There's always exam for Scrum Masters. In fact, last year they made 2019 they made Scrum Master exam a little bit more difficult, and they also introduced an exam for product owners. There were some challenges with the exam, so they pulled it back, and because of coronavirus there's still no exam, but at some point in the future we expect to see the exam to be introduced. So currently all you do is attend the 2-day course, and upon the completion of a course you will receive your internationally recognized certificate called Certified Scrum Product Owner. In terms of the topics themselves, so what do we do in the course? So we spend the first half a day talking about Agile and Scrum, and specifically Scrum roles as well. So the Scrum Master, Product Owner, and development team. So covering the basics. After that, in the afternoon of the first day, we talk about the product vision. We touch a little bit on hypothesis testing and lean startup as part of visioning. We talk about user roles and personas. Basically understanding your customer, how to understand your customer and create a profile and archetype of your typical users. And we finish day 1 with user story mapping as a technique to create a big picture view of your product or your project. The second day, we continue with user story mapping and roadmaps. Basically how to create a strategic plan for your project, how to roll out your product to the market. We obviously cover the product backlog itself. So what is a product backlog and how to create it. We touch on user stories. Even though many people don't know that user stories are actually not part of Scrum, they're from a different framework called Extreme Programming, but a lot of Scrum teams use that, so we do cover user stories and common user stories mistakes as part of this course. We touch on relative sizing and discuss in detail budgeting and release plans. And we finish the training with a quick overview of sprints. So it's a very brief overview of sprints and how to do planning, review, retrospective, daily Scrum. We don't touch too much on that because that's more of a Scrum Master job. And so if you're interested to learn more about what happens in a sprint and how to facilitate those Scrum events, like planning and review and retrospective, also backlog refinement, you're welcome to attend our Certified Scrum Master course. Thank you so much for watching, and then you can always book a course on the website. If you have any more questions, please drop us a message, an email, or submit a contact us form on the website. We're always going to respond to you within one working day. So hope to see you at one of our future courses.